we are seeing this occasion here today. We are very grateful to you. I also use the opportunity to welcome all other queens from all other regions. They should accept to come to Sokpoe anytime they are invited. We are ready to receive them. Thank you.
Everlove TV, je va de Sokpoe. Nous que vous avez vu Sokpoe, Sokpoe topé azanto ya kwenye azaiko duna. Everlove TV, je va adorer au domo. Mia pour nous quand tout est dit. Ikenye example nyonyo koma Sokpoe topé mama, ikenye mama ikele Sokpoe duama. Enya ameke wo alododo kule Obaapa foundation to jo gen duama. Eva bobo aba adu azanto hine. So heavy ole duama apung no kude ale ko je wo anu agba lo ko so heavy bo ma ta egba Everlove TV mi va dore Sokpoe yemie azan to he ya dugule egba ikemia akpo anu yo kanya mi ke ajim le Sokpoe egba kon ke kaji akpa Everlove TV jagba na subscribe plus zuwenka ya pa wona onya nu ke ayiden gogba
I'm a teenage mother back or student. My house was to tell my fellow students I'm now a girl of my own capacity. The question is, what are boys? My question is, what are boys? Boys are like division and subtraction. Immediately they saw you beautiful, they will follow you like a rabbit. But my friends, immediately they fragmented you, please, they will throw you like a bale of sardines. So please, boys are bad. Boys are dangerous. They are destroying our future. We have something. Boys are destroying us. Don't let those Okada fighting this boys destroy our future. Thank you.
We are happy to be here today to be part of the Women's and Children's Day. As an organization, we have been in Ghana since 1979, and we have been complementing government efforts for the well-being of children in areas of water, sanitation and hygiene, health and nutrition, education, livelihoods, child protection. And for child protection, I want to concentrate on that for my short speech today, that we have been working across the country, but for today specifically, I want to focus on the Obaapa Foundation and our work with them. I want to congratulate our executive director and team, and also our queen mothers and the Sokpoe community for organizing a Women and Children's Day. As an organization, we launched a campaign in 2016 in ending child marriage, and we said it takes us all to end child marriage. We know child marriage is an issue in Ghana, and so together we work with partners, especially the Obaapa Foundation, and we have seen the gains that we have made together. And if we are here today on behalf of World Vision, I want to encourage you all as parents, as queen mothers. It's not just for Sokpoe community, but wherever you are. I have seen yesterday and I have heard the good things that you are doing. And on behalf of World Vision, I want to congratulate you. I want to encourage you to do more for all regions where you come from. Because you see the children seated over there, amongst them, these are the future leaders. These are the ones that will change the dynamics, not just for Sokpoe community, but for Ghana as a whole. We must prioritize them. We must make it our business to ensure that they are safe, they are protected from all forms of harm and danger and violence. And this includes child marriage. We want to say amongst them, you can never tell. We have doctors there, we have lawyers, we have ministers, we might even have the future presidents among them. We can only help them to have their full potential by providing the support that they need. I want to say congratulations to you all, and I look forward to hearing from the queen mothers again and all of us here on what we have been doing. And as we go, parents, I want to encourage you, please prioritize your children's education and their protection. And to the children, I want to say to you, when you are given your rights, you have responsibilities. Make sure you be a responsible child and you make your parents proud. And together, we will change our community. I want to thank you very much on behalf of World Vision. bringing us here. Thank you.